Before publishing our survey, we should go over some settings that ensure that the data we gather is of high quality. These settings are located on the Exclusion Rules page. Here we can choose to exclude participant responses that fail certain quality assurance tests. The first of these settings is the consistency check. By toggling this option, 1000 Minds will repeat 1 to 3 simple questions during the trade-offs to check if the participant answers consistently. This setting will test the repeatability of the results, which serves as a quality test of the answers overall. We can change the number of questions to repeat in the drop-down here. It's a good idea to leave consistency checking toggled on, because it can't be turned on or off after the survey is already published. If we want to exclude participants who didn't answer some questions consistently, we can check the Exclude Participants box below. Unlike consistency checking, this and all the other exclusion options can be changed after publishing the survey, so you can see how including or excluding participants impacts your results. We can also set the number of inconsistent answers after which we want to exclude a participant by selecting the number from this drop-down menu. It is recommended that we ask 2 consistency questions and exclude participants if they answer either question inconsistently. Another way to ensure the quality of your data is to exclude participants that only click the same option throughout the entire survey, either if they answered they are equal for every question, or if they always selected only the left or only the right alternative for every question. Lastly, we can exclude participants if they answered questions too quickly. With the first option, participants will be excluded if they answered at least one question faster than 1 second, or whatever time interval we specify. The second option excludes participants based on the median response time. Excluding participants who answered too quickly ensures that our data is accurate and high quality, because if a participant answers too quickly, then that means that they probably didn't even read the question, so such an answer would be meaningless. Again, we can change the exclusion settings anytime before, during, or after the survey, except for the consistency check, which has to be specified before the survey. It is recommended that you have all exclusion settings enabled to ensure that your data is of very high quality. After gathering all your data, you can look at the charts on the progress page for an overview of participants' consistency and time taken, and then play around with the exclusion options to see how changing your exclusion settings affects your results. After we've checked our exclusion settings, it's time to publish our survey so we can start gathering participant responses. So head over to the Publish Survey page and I'll see you there.